In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to segment your HubSpot forms so you can stay organized, work faster, and find the right forms instantly. If you're managing multiple campaigns, landing pages, or teams inside HubSpot, your forms list can get cluttered very quickly. The good news is, HubSpot has built-in filtering and view features that make segmentation simple and powerful. By the end of this video, you'll know how to filter your forms and save custom segmented views that match your workflow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and marketing tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, select Forms. This will take you to your full Forms dashboard, where you can see every form that's been created in your portal. If you've been using HubSpot for a while, you might see standalone forms, embedded forms, pop-up forms, and possibly legacy forms all mixed together. Now let's start segmenting. At the top of the Forms dashboard, you'll see filtering options. These filters allow you to narrow down your list based on specific criteria. The first filter you can use is Form Type. This lets you separate standalone forms from embedded forms. For example, if you only want to review forms embedded on website pages, simply select Embedded. Instantly, your list updates to show only those forms. Next, you can filter by Created By. This is especially useful if multiple team members build forms in your account. You can select a specific user and quickly see only the forms they created. This makes auditing, reviewing, or managing team responsibilities much easier. Another powerful filter is Last Updated. If you want to see recently modified forms, maybe to check recent changes or optimize performance, you can filter by the most recently updated forms. This is helpful when you're actively improving conversion rates or running experiments. You can also use the Performance filter. This allows you to identify forms based on how they are performing. For example, you might want to review high-converting forms to replicate their structure, or low-performing forms that need optimization. Finally, if your forms are connected to campaigns, you can filter by Associated Campaigns. This is extremely helpful for campaign reporting. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can instantly see all forms tied to a specific marketing campaign. Once you've applied the filters that match your needs, you've essentially created a segment. But here's the key step that many people overlook: saving that segment as a view. After filtering your forms the way you want, click on Save View. HubSpot will prompt you to name your view. Choose something clear and descriptive, like website-only forms, campaign A forms, high-converting forms, or sales team forms. Once saved, this custom view will appear as a selectable tab in your Forms dashboard. This means you won't need to reapply filters every time. You can switch between segmented views instantly, keeping your workflow clean and organized. Over time, creating multiple saved views can dramatically improve your productivity, especially if you manage dozens or even hundreds of forms. And that's it. That's how you segment your HubSpot forms using filters and saved views. It's quick, simple, and incredibly powerful once you start using it consistently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and step-by-step marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.